Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome pair of secret wood nunchucks. Secret wood is just wood that has been fused with epoxy resin to give it this man-made and yet organic look at the same time. For this project I'm using walnut, and I'm going to be pairing that with a copper epoxy. I'm going to drill the holes now while the nunchucks are still square before I cut them down to their final octagonal shape. Next, I'm going to be ebonizing the wood. I'm using a solution made from steel wool and vinegar that makes iron acetate. This reacts with the tannins in the wood and makes it darker. Walnut has a lot of tannins, so it darkens it really nicely. I'm going to be adding some knurling to the end of these nunchucks for two reasons. One, to improve the grip on the handles, and two, because I think it looks cool. I did end up cutting all these by hand using a combination of custom jigs, saws, and files, and while tedious, I was really happy with the results. For the finish, I decided to use a lacquer. This will be a nice durable finish and also really bring out all the colors. I had some of these brass finishing screws and I just thought they would look really nice against the dark wood and act as really good accent pieces. Finally, I'm going to string up these nunchucks using some black 550 paracord. I want to give a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters, Nick Vespa, Marion Ward, and Henrik GZ. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this build, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.